Today we have a delicious topic to discuss: how to reheat pancakes. We all love fluffy golden pancakes, but sometimes we end up with leftovers. Don't worry, because we have some fantastic methods to bring those pancakes back to life. Let's dive right in. Hi there, I am Jack, a food enthusiast from blogging Good Food. Stovetop method. Our first method involves using a stovetop. It's quick and helps retain the pancake's texture. Step 1. Preheat your skillet over medium-low heat. Step 2. Place your leftover pancakes in a single layer on a plate or cutting board. If needed, cut your larger pancakes into smaller pieces for even heating. Step 3. Lightly coat the hot skillet with butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. Step 4. Carefully transfer the pancakes to the skillet, ensuring they are not overcrowded to allow proper reheating. Step 5. Cook the pancakes for approximately 1 to 2 minutes on each side until they are heated through and slightly crisp on the outside. Oven method. If you have a larger batch of pancakes or prefer a hands-off approach, using the oven is a great option. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Step 2. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil for easier cleanup. Step 3. Arrange your leftover pancakes in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Step 4. Cover the pancakes with another sheet of aluminum foil to prevent from drying. Step 5. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven and reheat the pancakes for 10 to 15 minutes. Microwave method. Our final method is perfect for those who want to reheat pancakes quickly. Step 1. Start by placing your leftover pancakes in a single layer on a microwave-safe plate. Step 2. If you are using a microwave-safe cover, place it over the pancakes. Alternatively, you can cover them with a damp paper towel. Step 3. Microwave the pancakes on high for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your microwave's power. Step 4. Carefully remove the plate from the microwave, taking caution as it may be hot. Step 5. Check if the pancakes are heated through. If they need more time, return them to the microwave for another round. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found our pancake reheating methods helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.